Discover untapped investment and market sentiment hiding in plain sight in today's daily Reddit Insight for August 1st. AMD positioned for AI inference dominance. Investors overlook inference market, assume NVIDIA remains unbeatable, miss strategic shift. Accumulate AMD shares early, target exposure to emerging inference demand. Capitalize on valuation gap before earnings momentum drives price higher and competition intensifies. Diversified ETF strategy. High-risk options and single-stock bets trigger costly drawdowns, wild volatility, emotional strain, unreliable gains. Redirect funds to low-fee broad-market ETFs like SPY. Schedule automatic contributions, embrace passive diversification, capture market growth, compound steadily, reduce stress and risk. DOMO turnaround opportunity. Once a broken SaaS toy ignored by investors, DOMO suffered limited growth and tepid sentiment. Now retooled, delivering vital ops sales lifeline and acquisition appeal. Enter before recognition. Capitalize on undervaluation and potential multi-bagger upside future market repricing. Microcap PSTV hype surge. Rampant 1,500% promises flag pump and dump risk. Tiny float, massive volatility, and potential total loss haunting excited traders. Seize opportunity only with disciplined due diligence, risk-tolerant money, skeptical mindset, and clear exit strategy plus protective stop-loss orders. Coin post-earnings put selling. Earnings dip sparks downside anxiety. Idle cash earns nothing. Unsure entry price. Sell cash secured puts at comfortable strike, pocket premium, possibly buy shares cheaper. Profit if rebound, risk capped by collateral. Leverage cautious bullish market view. Ethereum long-term bullish outlook. Investors fear missing exponential growth, face volatility and impatience. Steadily accumulate ETH. Apply long-term horizon. Leverage dollar cost averaging for potential significant returns. Network maturation, institutional adoption, and deflationary tokenomics may fuel price surge. Position early today. SEC bullish shift ends years of regulatory uncertainty, enforcement threats, and institutional hesitations stagnating crypto growth. Seize opportunity by aligning projects with emerging guidelines, accelerating compliance, attracting institutions, and diversifying portfolios early to capture potential broad-based rally across crypto assets. Coin post-earnings put-sell play. Earnings dip spooks investors, volatility high, fear further slide, limited downside confidence question. Sell cash-secured puts below support to capture rich premium. Enter bullish neutral stance, obtain shares at discount while managing risk through expiry selection discipline. Healthcare sector potential rebound. Recent underperformance and personal losses erode confidence, while forecasts rely on shaky anecdotal signals. Yet contrarian buyers can validate fundamentals, target well-valued leaders or diversified ETFs such as XLV to capture an overdue bout soon ahead. Saylor's $4.2 billion Bitcoin buying spree. Retail fear of price swings and being late, rising inflation doubts asset reliability. Seize opportunity by tracking MicroStrategy buys. Accumulate BTC on dips. Align with institutional conviction for long-term upside while managing risk prudently. Palantir $10 billion U.S. Army deal. Investors fear revenue volatility and contract dependency. Long-term military partnership ensures steady cash flow, reinforces defense tech leadership, attracts institutions. Buy dips before further re-rating. Growing governmental trust enhances strategic moat, spurs international deals, magnifies earnings. Lionsgate undervalued acquisition target. Market ignores content library, streaming assets, and takeover appeal. Pain points include high debt, competitive entertainment landscape, uncertain M&A timing, how to seize opportunity, conduct due diligence, accumulate gradually, watch debt metrics, consolidation rumors, expect premium. Health Sector ETF, hidden value, recent underperformance versus S&P 500 and MSCI World breeds sentiment. Investors frustrated by muted growth, yet lag, creates attractive valuation. Accumulate IE00B43HR379 now to capture demographic demand, medical innovation and defensive stability before sentiment recovers. Fairfax's Q2 book value surge. Concern: investors may overlook rare value in complex financial conglomerate and miss latent catalyst. Opportunity: scrutinize explosive 10.8% book value growth. Diversified underwriting and investments. Initiate due diligence now. Accumulate shares before broader market recognizes strength. Apple Q3 earnings beat. Investors feared product momentum slowdown and high valuation risk. Earnings per share exceeded estimates by 10%. Stock climbed. Validates resilient demand and management efficiency. Opportunity to hold, add, or re-enter Apple while tracking broader market conditions carefully ahead. Tech giants on sale. Market correction pulls NVDA, AMD, AMZN lower. Fear of declines and uncertainty. Long-term investors can seize discounted valuations by studying fundamentals, using dollar-cost averaging, and matching positions to risk profiles, capturing AI, semiconductor, and cloud growth.